In this video, we will talk why we decided to use Git as our main version control system and why is it so popular. Git was created approximately 15 years ago in 2005 by Linus Torvald team. Linus Torvald is the man who created the Linux kernel. It was created to replace the previous version of version control system. It was BitKeeper, and now it's very popular and world-known version control system. So what is Git? Git usually is a very simple system based on a command line interface, and why it's so popular. So here we can see the logos of companies which are using this system, and very popular in these great and famous companies. So also it's open source, absolutely open source system which is distributed under the GNU license, and you can use it. Also, if we take a look on the Stack Overflow survey, it's 2018, we can see that almost 90% of developers, they are using Git. It's a really big number. Previously was a Subversion, but now it's not so popular. So let's take a look why Git is so good. For example, if we open benchmarks and comparing with S1, we can see that it's faster. In some cases it's faster in 50 times, for example for log command, and comparing for commit and for diff, for log, it works much faster. And here we can see the difference in seconds. Also, how Git works. There is a function which generates a secure hash algorithm. It's a token, and Git takes your file, and even if one bit is different, it will generate a new version of this file. So it's very secure, and it's almost impossible to lose some piece of your data. That's why it's very popular and very secure. Also, it's very easy to work with branches in your Git repository. It's almost free based on space and time, so you easily can create different number of branches and work with them as you want.